Hello dear learners, welcome to video lectures on subject rapid prototyping. In this session we are going to discuss impact of rapid prototyping on product development, as well as we are going to discuss digital or virtual prototyping. Impact of rapid prototyping on product development. In current business era, product development is very crucial and important step. So what is the impact of this rapid prototyping on product development? We are going to discuss. Prototyping plays a very important role in product development. Most useful prototypes that are made, or more useful prototypes that are made, having higher quality of the product. So means by using rapid prototyping there is a chances of improving the quality of the product, high chances of improving the quality. Prototypes must be built with low cost and least time to the market as possible. Rapid prototyping helps to build low cost and less timing or short timing products to launch into the market. So means rapid prototyping helps in improving the quality, reducing the cost and short period of manufacturing or development. Example, rapid prototyping can be used to accelerate the design process and it leads to defect free product and reduced risk. So we know that design process is the most time consuming process in the product development, so we can accelerate this process by creating defect free as well as low risk prototypes. Whether it is to study the function of the prototype, or to see the appearance or feel the product, or to visualize the improvement of a product, rapid prototyping helps to understand the function of the product. As we are creating the actual model of the product, we can feel the product, we can see the appearance of the product, or we can visualize the improvements in the product which were not having qualities in the past product. This technique has proven essential to the market leaders such as Microsoft, Intel, GM, Boeing, Ford and Cisco. So these companies are using this rapid prototyping in the product development. Virtually every business uses prototyping. For example, airplane manufacturer to toy producer, or to the computer system developer. So every organization like aerospace manufacturing, toy manufacturing, computer software development, everywhere this rapid prototyping finds application. In software industry, a series of drawings that are created by the developers are used to obtain acceptance by the decision maker. So who are the decision makers needs the different drawings of the project or model. In that case, this rapid prototyping helps really. Now what is mean by digital or virtual prototyping? A prototype is a functional model of the design process. So we are creating the functional or actual working model in the design process by using digital or virtual prototyping. CAD software enables design engineer to produce virtual prototype that simulates the real life system. Means if you are creating a virtual prototype that will work like a real life example, and we can visualize the performance of the product. Digital or virtual prototyping is an engineering discipline that involves modeling a part or a system using software. So we are majorly using softwares to design or model the part. These digital models are simulated virtually to observe its behavior under real world operating condition. Let's take an example of crash analysis. Previously, automobile manufacturers were creating 4 to 5 types of actual models, and they were doing the crash analysis by doing the actual accidents. But there is a loss of huge amount of money, time and material. But if you are using the softwares for crash analysis, we can do the real world, we can study the real world operating condition. Since entire simulation process is a digital, so refining the design is easier to manage. So during crash analysis, engineers were observing some of the problems in the design, but if you are doing the crash analysis using softwares, we can do the refinements or improvements with a short period of time without loss of material. It is important to understand virtual prototyping does not produce physical object. Here we are modeling the object in software, so there is no manufacturing of physical object, so there is a high amount of cost saving. The testing and evaluation of the object or system properties is carried out only using the softwares. Say some of the examples are Altair HyperWorks. So by using these software we can simulate or model your object digitally without actually producing the physical object. Virtual prototype provides the companies with a deeper understanding of the product function, enables the simulation of the product performance as a part of complete system. So we can understand the product performance at very deep level and enables the simulation of a product performance. It offers interactive and automatic design optimization based on the requirement and assist other areas of product development for coordination. So all the engineering departments like design, manufacturing, testing, quality control, all these departments can interact with each other by using this virtual or digital prototyping. Digital prototyping can support all members of a product development team and helps communication. Design engineer, manufacturer use digital mockups to explore ideas and validate the design quickly. So ideas coming from the different departments like engineering, production, manufacturing, sales, these ideas can be combined together on a virtual platform, and creating the virtual prototype may helps to explore their ideas and validate the actual design without wasting time, money and material. What are the advantages of virtual prototyping? Since the entire process is carried out virtually, it takes very less time for testing. So less time is the first advantage of this system. Full motion behavior of a complex mechanical system can be easily analyzed before building the actual system. We can study the full motion behavior of the product. It is possible to explore multiple design options quickly. So as we are using the software, so there are huge chances of designing the multiple design by changing its dimension. Digital model can be used to test anything from a component part to entire machine. So in this we can change the component or entire system can be modified. Improve operator safety and comfort. Here as we are using the software, so there is no need of a operator, so either we can work it digitally. So software safety, operator safety and comfort is achieved. Removes geographic boundaries and provides a common design standard and language. As we are using the software, these files can be passed over any part of this world or any country, and common design standard can be applied. Before this manual design, every country was following their own standard, but by using softwares we can use the common design standard. Marketing team can visually understand the model to demonstrate and describe product properties. So marketing team are the non-technical peoples, but they can easily understand this virtual model and can demonstrate and describe the product properties to the customer. So these are the advantages of virtual prototyping. Thank you.